Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Nong yalam jong kaliang pursha Dr. Mukul sangma habe kran berkinong thok khobor halor kajingduna shu jong kidukhat hakaliang pursha ulaong ka politik hagajela bat hagari kalakala ulaong bagani baro akashong hagi Paidbah kumnu kin Peit halor kajingmi jong ginigi Seng san perthei ki bathamai kumunong shong shnong basngo tho eka kamram ka Kidei banle habe de bakajingji ekinong mikmat kajubab kahikai yangi ulaong ru bangilai I ba uwei ni kinong mikmat jong ka wei ka Seng san perthei Ubalapun ya so no ira dia berkawai pan ka Seng san perthei hatu Kadaw habe de berkani ki Paidbah ki deban Peit bat kinrai halor kani shu ulaong balada ngilatip lupa ba uwei nangi unmare haswa bansiat di ukuli kata phin sngoth la phin yalam ya u shakmat ne em ka politik Kidei ka basuk banjiat hakapor ka badei hakanu kapor phidan kam bandan hakmat namar nakbenta jungi man kasngi ni hab banekhun nakasngi shakasngi.
Well, the political dynamics in the state have changed. Political dynamics in the country have changed over the decades, which is not in sync with the core values of our democracy. Now, having said these, again, it depends on the people. It depends on the people as to how they will take cognizance of these new political dynamics that has unfolded and how in the best interest of the people, how our participation in democracy in respect of electing elected representative and electing government, how we can somehow as responsible citizens with full understanding of the quantum of responsibility which is vested upon us in as far as exercising of our right to franchise is concerned, can really demonstrate that sense of responsibility and maturity and see that the whole exercise revolves around protecting the core values of our democracies so that uncertainties does not take place. Today what we see is that deep people expect that the people who they elect as a candidate of one political party will shift allegiance. Was there any reason for that? All these things, the people have to be analytical and then have their own judgment and use their own wisdom.
How will you ensure your flock is intact from the poaching exercise of NPP?
See, again, that's why how we choose our comrades and colleagues when we go to the front line. If you know that somebody will just run away before even firing a bullet, then you know whether you should take him along with you or not to the front line. You see, so that's why politics is a tough job, choosing the right kind of comrades and colleagues to be there when you need to really be in the front line. Because for us, every day is a challenging day. It's almost like you wrestle and battle on a daily basis, because like the devil tempts an individual 24/7, we politicians also are subjected to that kind of challenges, the pulls and pushes of the whole political dynamics. Therefore, as we wrestle and battle against all those kind of challenging situation, we have to know therefore how to choose our friends. Because in democracy we talk about in a given political system we have the party system. So choosing the candidates and getting them elected, how we choose, what are the parameters, what kind of people we choose, all these things matter. That's why it is very challenging.